just wanted to show you my wilderness sewing kit. It's something you might want to consider carrying. I carried a similar one in my backpack for years. You can take them camping or keep one in your car. This one here will be staying at my winter camp. I made mine to fit inside an Altoids tin, and you can make yours more compact or larger if you like. I wrapped some electrical tape around mine so it doesn't open up, and I put some cotton balls on the inside so it doesn't rattle around. We all know how rugged and abrasive the wilderness can be. It can damage your clothing, footwear, your backpack, maybe a sheath, gloves, or a tent. I look at my clothing as my shelter, and I've torn the outer shell of my jacket, I've ripped my pants, and sometimes these repairs can't wait till you get home. You can buy kits similar to these, but I think it's way more fun to put one together yourself. You can customize it specifically to your needs. So let's have a look at the contents and see why you might want to carry one. On the lid I have a magnetic strip to hold a variety of different needles for different tasks. Some large, some small, some are better for piercing canvas. And the magnetic strip is to keep these needles from moving around. You don't want to lose these. I have a couple of buttons. I just threw these in here for fun. Some crazy glue. Sometimes you need to make a quick repair, and it's just easier to glue it than to stitch it. You have to keep in mind that these are single use only. I have a variety of different colored thread. Dental floss works pretty good for thread, especially the wax stuff. I have a piece of leather. This will help protect your hands when you're driving that needle into the fabric. I have a needle threader, some thicker, more durable thread, small knife, a pair of scissors for cutting the thread, a very small hand drill. It's 1/8 of an inch, and it's good for making holes in leather or fabric instead of trying to drive that needle through very tough fabric. On the bottom I have some iron-on patches. I was asked how would you put on these iron-on patches out in the wilderness, and you can do it several ways. If you have a stainless steel cup or maybe a frying pan, you could heat that up in the fire very carefully and iron on these patches. Small Phillips screwdriver just because it fit, and on the bottom I have some more needles and another magnetic strip. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.